Zaya! Zaya! What? Come here.
Just go for a second.
I need you. Come here.
Yes, can I help you?
Yeah, come here. Come here. Come here. I need you to stand right here. Okay, stand right here and look. Now tell me, can you see anything up there? Good, look right up there. You see anything?
What was that?
Get!
That's Grandpa's new toy!
Get!
Look at Grandpa's new toy!
Mom, are you going to tell him about that picture?
Oh, you guys come look at this picture. It's like it's real eerie looking. We're looking at it and it's like, I don't know, if you look at it real close,
Like, you have to stand here.
it's like there's a, in between the doll head and
Yeah, you have to
Ginger's
look.
head, it looks like a ghost or something. You know, like those
You have to stand, like, right there. It kind of looks like a 3D thing. 3D image.
Luther! You jerk!